We hope you guys are just as excited about the film fest as we are. And you know, music plays a huge role in how your film is perceived by people. It's important that the music you choose touches someone in some way, shape, or form to help draw them into your story and what you're trying to convey. So I wanted to create a quick music video here for you guys to give you some ideas on how to use your music in different pieces. Obviously, soft songs and slow songs would be good for slow motion and some of that stuff, whereas more upbeat and fast might be more action-packed. So just want to give you a couple samples of that, play a couple different things to show you guys some ideas and things you might be able to do. You can also do a song that might be more crispy and upbeat. You can also do something that's a little more slow and dire. So it's kind of up to you, but just remember that when you're doing your videos, it's really important to make sure the music flows good with what you're trying to convey to the audience. Sometimes it doesn't really have to be very hard. This quick music tip is brought to you in part by Yeti Coolers, the Original Muck Boot Company, and Vanguard Hunting. Thanks for watching.